to go down the overway and see the horse. There's a horse in your hat here.
There is a horse in your hat chair.
It's going in your hat chair. Please.
Well, there's no more pages that way. You gotta go the other way.
You gotta go the other way and see pages other way.
Yeah. What animals do you see?
Animals. A chicken.
What animals do you see on that page? Oh, how about that page? What animals do you see?
Pigs.
Well, that's the last page. You gotta go the other way. What animals do you see on that page?
A rhinoceros.
Yeah, a rhinoceros. What else? Hippopotamus. What else?
Hippopotamus. Pig.
Well, that's the last page. You gotta go the other way.
Pig.
That's the last page. You gotta go the other way.
Pig.
Or you can look at the back of it.
There's nobody on here. The gorilla and some zebra and some lion. Close.
Archie, what other animals did you see on that page? You saw a zebra, gorilla, lion. Oh, Archie, if you open up the book again, can you open it up again? I think I see a chimpanzee. Do you see a chimpanzee?
I see chimpanzees.
Oh, yeah. All done with that book? Or are you going to read it again?
What's it called?
What's it called? It's called My Big Animal Book.
My Big Animal Book.
Yeah.
Where's the animal book?
Which animal? Archie, what's the animal right by your right foot?